Hereby, we first highly appreciated the developing budget funds come from BOE, Bureau of Energy, MOEA of Taiwan. With fuel cell technology, we solved the problem of industrial byproduct hydrogen. Through the recycling mechanism, we provide semiconductor industry with a zero-carbon emissions solution. We integrate fuel cell system with metal plate, cell auto-staking, fuel cell system control, fuel cell integration, and generator technologies. Our 3 core technologies own 8 patents from 3 countries. It features high cost-performance ratio, long lifetime, automatic assembly, smart control, lightweight. We provide customers the best ESG solutions.